Queensland, Australia, January 11, 2026. Heavy rain and damaging winds hit communities after storm crosses coast between Townsville and Bowen on Sunday morning. Residents are being smashed by heavy rain and fierce wind gusts after Tropical Cyclone Koji crossed the coast in North Queensland. Wind gusts up to 100 kilometers per hour brought down trees and fences as the cyclone tracked south to southwest, with residents from Bowen to Mackay in the line of fire as the system crossed the coast, the Bureau of Meteorology said on Sunday morning.
How's that for a bit of wind? The birds are loving it. The whole net's lifted up, old mate's boat's flogged out to the biscuit.
Residents of Marion, about 30 kilometers west of Mackay, said roads were closed and water levels were rising after conditions intensified. Heavy rain also hammering air in Mackay, and damaging 100 kilometers per hour wind gusts hit tourism hotspot the Whitsunday Islands. The Queensland Premier, David Crisafulli, said several residents were pulled from floodwaters west of Bowen at Strathalbyn on Sunday morning. She was following Google Maps when she drove through floodwaters. The car was trapped, but they were able to escape to a nearby home to call for help. Off the coast of Cannonvale, near Pigeon Island, a vessel took on water and sank. 2 men had to abandon ship and swim to shore, where they were rescued. Flash flooding at Finch Hatton meant residents trapped in a residence had to climb onto tables as the water rose. They were rescued by first responders and community members. Crisafulli said an area south of Mackay had been affected as a result of swollen catchments. Overnight falls of up to 200 millimeters were recorded west of Mackay, with the bulk of the falls expected in the next 2 days. Warnings were in place for much of the northeast Queensland coast from Townsville to Mackay, including Bowen, Proserpine and the Whitsundays. Heavy rainfall leading to flash flooding was developing between Townsville and St Lawrence, and tides were likely to be higher than normal between Cardwell and Mackay, the Bureau noted. In the northwest, major flooding that had already heavily affected Gulf country communities, where livestock losses are projected to be significant, continued on the Flinders River.